This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Christine Montilia. Rarely available, this furnished 3-bedroom and unit condo has been completely renovated with gorgeous porcelain 22-inch tile throughout the living area and carpeting in the bedrooms. All appliances have been replaced and the kitchen has been completely updated like you will find in new construction, with 1-level quartz countertops, 36-inch white cabinets and so much more. Move right in and start living the dream. Beautiful modern country club with 27 holes of championship bundled golf, Racquet Club Complex with 8 tennis and 14 pickleball courts. Brand new River Club Complex with a grand opening date of March 1st. Professionally staffed state-of-the-art fitness center, Bocce, 6 community pools with spas, walking trails and more. One of the best locations in SWFL, close to restaurants, shopping, medical facilities and only 18 minutes from SWFL International Airport. For more information, review the details below.